Absolutely massive rock. That's a good 150 feet long here. 15 feet high. Good spot for a bear to be hiding. I'm wrong on the length. It's a football field at least. Goes all the way down there, out of sight. Let's see how much further it goes. It's out of sight that way. It gets a little bit shallower here. Broken too up here. But it's a football field, 300 feet. This is on the right side at the head of Fall Run. Right below the rock, like everywhere. I've never seen the amount of ramps that I've seen in Nares Run this year that I've seen. It could supply every single ramp feed in this county for years and years. There's so many acres of ramps everywhere you look. We're on the thinner end of this rock here. Looks like right about here it ends. Right here. Never knew this was here. Really get out of the weather under this rock if you wanted to. Much bigger on this end. Very unusual. This is up at the head of Nares Run. Just maybe a half mile or less in a straight line from the head of Fall Run where I was at, where the large rock was. And you just see everywhere you look, the ground is just coated with ramps. I've never seen anything like this. Everywhere. Just everywhere I stop, particularly down in more shaded spots here. Ramps are a little bit past harvest time. They're a little bit too big. Not as good there. But all that green that you're seeing on the bottom there of the floor of the forest is ramps. All the way down here.